Yung clients mo ba, pinapa-purchase mo ng own hosting or hosted sila under sa hosting account mo? Hi there, I'm Anthony, your web design and funnels expert, founder of Website Academy PH, helping beginners and businesses build websites that convert and freelance skills that pay off. This is a very common question, especially pag nagsisimula ka pa lang sa freelancing, no? Most of the time, I let my clients purchase their own hosting because it's the most professional setup for long term. So what I do is guide them step by step. I recommend a beginner-friendly hosting option like Hostinger or Bluehost, something similar. Ayun. And help them during purchase if needed. And ayun, nag-a-assist ako with setup before I start building. Here's why I prefer this approach. Number one is yung ownership, no? Yung website and hosting belong to the client, mas malinaw. Number two, hindi ka responsible sa renewals, billing, or feature issues. But still remind them na ito nga, purchase date, ito yung next annual payment or investment doon sa hosting, di ba? And number three, trust. Clients feel more secure knowing they have full access. At the same time, they can give you temporary admin access while setting up yung website. And number four, last, yung scalability. It's much easier na mag-hand off. If ever, di ba, they want to change teams or developers later, hindi naman maiiwasan. You can still offer hosting under your account if may maintenance or retainer ka. But for beginners, letting clients own their hosting is the safest move. If you want more tips on client setup, boundaries, and workflows, like and follow for more. See you in the next video.